green is all there is to be. It's all that makes you wonder, but why wonder I'm green? And listen, I don't know if it's, it's fine, right? It's all I really want to be in the first place, so... You know, that sort of thing's gonna make you wonder a bit. But why wonder, I'm green. And you know, I think it's beautiful. Besides, it's all I